2, 3. Hi, I'm David Mochi, and we're from Veterans Theater. We're looking at building some of these veterans ecological village tiny homes. This is a modular unit, and let's step outside here so you can get a look at it.
Hello, I'm Ernest from Veterans Theater. We're looking at these modular homes. These homes were used in, so we're looking at our homes that's possible. These are our buddy.
Omar, take us through what you did. How long did it take you to do this?
All right, it took me 2 days to do the foundation, which is a permanent foundation. My name is Omar Oropeza, just so everybody knows. I built this house, we put it up in 2 hours. It was all ready to go. Today we came by, gave it a real quick power wash, and it was set.
Okay. What is it made of? What are these modules made of?
These walls, the outside and the interior part of the wall are made of it's a fiber, and it's been meshed together, so it's pretty much like a polyboard, but it's with fibers. And then on the inside, you got it's more about a composite board on the outside, and then the inside is a polyurethane board.
How strong is this?
This will withstand tornadoes. Has been tested with a tank shooting a 2x4 at the walls at 250 miles per hour. Nothing happened to these walls.
Okay. Then take us inside. We'll have a look. Show us what you're doing.
And as you can see, as soon as you come in, right here, what you'll have is a mount for your TV.
Okay.
Okay, right in here we're going to have the restroom. It's going to have a full shower, stand-up shower, right here. Your toilet will be to your right. You're going to have a little sink coming just right here.
Okay.
Then as you come through this side, you will have your range right here, your stove, a microwave with the vent.
Okay.
So we can shoot it out that way to this little section right here. And then you'll have your actual sink for your dishes right here and a little countertop. Then of course we'll have little cabinets coming across here. As you come this way, you're going to have a refrigerator, little refrigerator standing here. We're going to come more this way, right around here. I'm going to go ahead and stand up like a little shelf so you can put your closet. There'll be another closet on here, and in the middle you'll have a Murphy bed.
Okay, Omar, tell us about the construction here. I see that these are bolted together, and what are you going to do here with that?
In here first, we run a lot of our electrical. We put our outlets, get everything set up the way it goes. There's plenty of sections here. The conduit is already inside the walls. It's set up at 15.5 inches.
Okay.
Which is the legal right for codes here in New Mexico.
Okay.
What we do is we just put these walls together and then we sandwich them. We put a couple of bolts just so we can have play with it. and then we put everything together in one piece. And once you do that, you lay the top pieces on top.
Okay, so you got panels up on top here
Yes.
too. And what will you do to insulate this?
Right here, I just
Yeah.
spray it. Once they put all the electrical wires and everything, what I'll do is I'll put a polyurethane foam, I'll just spray it in there, and that'll seal the whole thing.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
all right.
And then at the end, once I put the polyurethane foam, as you can see, there's little holes here. There's a little piece of this actual board, this composite board that goes right here to cover.
Okay, then you
cover it up.
put
Yes.
composite.
And then
board
the
over
same
it.
up here, as you can see, there's a 45 that goes right there. As you can see, there's a little line and a line up there, the difference on color, because that's where those, so it completely seals all air.
Okay, so it'll be completely sealed. Now,
Yes.
how about codes? Does this meet the codes of New Mexico?
Yes, I actually, before I built this house, the city of Las Cruces had me get a New Mexico architect to go ahead and draw out the plans for this house. And then I had to get a structural engineer to put his structural engineer stamp that everything that we were saying was true about this house.
Okay, now we're looking at two locations here. Is an option we have on some property that's located on a mountain. Here you can see an aerial map. We've looked at about 33 acres. It's the old rodeo site. Still has a lot of facilities there, some roads, some electric, some lighting, corrals, arena. On that property, we want to do post-deployment equine therapy for our returning veterans and help them reintegrate with their family. We think this is a major operation. One of them is for New Mexico State University for student veterans. We're looking at A Mountain where the old rodeo used to be. And then in the long run, we have another plan for a veterans village. We're going to work this with the homeless and build something, we hope, at Burns Lake. We're negotiating with City Council to see if we can get the right kind of arrangements. They're looking at our plans, and we hope to get it done soon. So, thank you both, Ernest from Veterans Theater, Omar, what's the name of your company?
It's oropezaandsons.com.
Okay, and we're also promoting the Veterans Theater event on December 16th. We'll be doing 2 plays. Veterans and veteran homeless put on these plays, and this is how we raise money for the properties that we intend to buy. Alma Arts. Thank you. Right here on 402 West Court Avenue at 1:30 and 7 p.m. It's free to the public, and thank you.
And
Thank
then
you very much.
the name of the actual company for the house structure is called Omni Housing.
Omni House.
Omni Housing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Any donations you can give to Veterans Theater are greatly appreciated. We have a GoFundMe site. This is how we're raising money through the plays and your donations to make these Veterans Eco Village dreams come true. Thank you for your attention. Bye.